This will be transformational for our community. Thank you, Nu-Tek, for selecting Austin.
We manufacture raw materials that go into the next generation pharmaceuticals, which are called the biologics. There's a growing demand for those products because it is the fastest growing part of the pharmaceutical industry, and this facility will help meet that demand. Even before COVID, these ingredients were in short supply. This facility will just help carry this into the future.
WDS is excited to be here and kicking off this project with Nu-Tek, to be part of a state-of-the-art facility in the United States that is really one of a kind in the world is just a phenomenal opportunity. Technology is just an absolute key piece to this project, especially with the process equipment and design. You know, we're really fitting a lot of this building around some of those pieces and parts.
Being a part of the development, seeing it literally from its inception, all the way through design and now to today is so rewarding. You know, a lot of times contractors only get to see the plan stage through giving them the keys. And you know, to be a part of the financing side, the due diligence side, working with communities, but also with a group like ISG was just very rewarding.
When that building starts going up, it's going to go up pretty quick and it's going to be exciting, and there's going to be just a ton of buzz around this project.